Hi friends, if you have old phones that you don't use anymore, you can repurpose them as a home security camera or a camera to keep an eye on your baby or kids. It's really easy to do this by downloading a security camera app. I recommend using the free version of the Alfred Camera app because it works great. With this app, you can switch between the front and back camera, use the flashlight and low light filter to see in the dark, and even sound a siren to scare away intruders. It also has a two-way talk feature, so you can communicate with visitors or even soothe your baby. All these features are available in the free version of the app. To get started, first, you need to install the app on your old phone and the phone you're currently using. Your old phone will be the security camera, and the phone you use will be the viewer. Now let me show you how it works. You can place the phone working as a security camera like this connected to a charger, and if you don't want it to be noticed, then you can place the phone like this. Then from the main phone or viewer phone, you can see what the security camera phone is recording. Here below you can see some functions by which you can control the security camera. I will tap on the switch button and it will switch the camera to the front camera, as you can see from the view. Now tapping on the switch button will again change the view to the rear camera. Another useful feature is that you can sound the siren from the viewer phone. I'll tap the siren button and the siren will start sounding from the security camera phone, which may be able to deter thieves. This app also allows for two-way talk, which can be done by pressing this microphone button. You will also not run out of storage, as the recording runs in an 8-hour loop that overwrites the oldest video with new footage. To view the footage, tap on the play button and you will see the timeline, and moving towards the left of the timeline, you can see the previously recorded videos. You can connect multiple phones to work as security cameras. And from the viewer phone, you can see how much battery percentage is on the security camera phone, and you can also see whether it is being charged or not. All these features are available for free in this app. Now let me show you the low light filter and torch effect in the dark. Here, you can see the security camera phone being held in the hand, and the small screen on the left side shows the viewer phone video feed. Now, I'll turn off the light and you won't be able to see anything. On the viewer phone, you can see that the low light filter is on, but nothing can be seen as there is no light. Now I'll turn on the flashlight and you'll be able to see in the dark. This is because of the low light filter working with the flashlight's light. As you can see, in the main camera recording, nothing is visible and it is still dark. All these features are available for free with the free version of this app. To install the app, go to the App Store and install it on both the phones. Once the installation is done, open the app. You'll be asked to sign in using your Google account, email, or Apple account. I will sign in with my email. Enter your email account, then enter the password and confirm the password. Then tap on Continue. Next, enter your username. After this, you'll need to verify your account by checking your email and following the verification process. Once verified, tap on Sign in now. Choose the purpose for using the camera and tap on Send. Then select the device you want to use as the camera. Since I will be using a mobile phone, I will select Mobile. You can now log in to the other device using the same account or pair it with the QR code. To pair with the QR code, tap this and you'll see the QR code displayed. Now open the installed Alfred app on the other phone. Tap on Scan to link it to the viewer device, then tap Continue to grant camera permission, then click on Allow. Then scan the QR code to establish the connection. Click Continue to grant microphone permission, then click Allow, and your security camera setup is now complete. After using this app, I'm really surprised as to how well it works and for the features provided in the free version. Give it a try and you will love it. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, then please do like and subscribe.